cash book, which is also known as cash register or cash journal. In this book, we will learn how to record cash transactions. And when we say cash transaction, it includes cash receipts and cash payments. So be attentive, this is something very important. So need of cash book arises whenever there is cash transaction. And normally, we will not see any organization in which we don't have cash transaction. There are some examples in which there are no credit transactions, but we cannot see any organization running without cash. So cash transactions are need or are present in each and every organization. These are the need of each and every organization. So all the cash transactions are recorded in cash book. How to record? Cash book is generally divided into two parts. One is for cash receipts and the second one is for cash payments. So all the cash receipts are recorded in the cash receipt side and payments are recorded in cash payment side. By the way, for those organizations which have so many cash receipts and so many cash payment transactions, they prepare two separate books, or in a way they split cash book into two. One is cash receipt journal and the second one become cash payment journal. So all cash receipts, a separate bookkeeper would be held responsible to maintain cash receipt journal, and a separate bookkeeper would be held responsible to maintain cash payment journal. But here, for the sake of ease, we will take all cash receipts and payment in one book, which is known as cash book. So there are three types of cash book, rather I would say four types of cash book. One is single column cash book. The second one is two column cash book. Third one is three column cash book. And the fourth one is petty cash book. One column or single column cash book entertains only cash transactions. Two column cash book entertains cash transactions and bank transactions also, because bank is also cash equivalent. So cash and bank, two columns are there. Sometimes we can add discount column with cash and discount if we don't have any bank transaction, or we are maintaining bank books separately and we want to maintain cash and discount, these two columns in one cash book, then two column cash book would be cash and discount. These would be constituting a two column cash book. And then comes three column cash book, in which cash column, bank column and discount column would be there, and petty cash book is for petty expenses. There are few formats of these cash books: single column cash book, two column cash book, three column cash book, and petty cash book. Just observe the difference between these four cash books. In single column cash book, we are having receipt side and payment side, and this is the dividing part. Okay, so this is receipt side of cash book, this is payment side of cash book. In each you will see date is there, then particulars are there, post reference is there, and amount is there. Okay, so in single column cash book we have single column for amount. That's why it is known as single column cash book. We have single column for amount at each side, receipt side as well as payment side. Okay, come to the two column cash book. Again, this is the dividing line, and we are having cash column and bank column in our receipt side, and same way cash column and bank column in the payment side. So we have two parts of cash book. One is receipt side and the second one is payment side, and each side is having two columns. Let's discuss three column cash book. This is the dividing part. Okay, and in left side this is receipt and this is payment side. Okay, receipt side is having three column: discount column, cash column, and bank column. In the same way, payment side, discount column, cash column, and bank column. Remember one very important thing, that it is discount allowed column and it is discount received column. Put your full concentration over here to learn that discount allowed column would always be in the receipt side. Okay, and discount received column would always be in the payment side. Why? Because we allow discount while receiving cash. Okay, and we receive discount while making cash payment to the creditor. Okay, we will discuss in deep detail while doing practice for this three column cash book. Then comes petty cash book. This petty cash, its dividing line is in fact over here. Okay, and this particular column is common for both receipt side as well as for payment side. Since it's a petty cash, petty means insignificant, something small. So we have small nature of or insignificant nature of expenses with us. We keep on recording these petty expenses throughout the period and make total, but receipt will be having once during that period. That's why we do not put date column or particulars column for receipts and payments separately. In a way, this date is also common for receipt transactions or entries as well as for payment entries. Okay, by the way, we will learn more when we would be doing its practice, and then it will concrete our knowledge on these cash books. So for this module, the important tips to remember are that only and only cash transactions are recorded in cash book, and bank is cash equivalent. Therefore, if we are having bank column in cash book, it means it is also a cash. So a cash book having bank column is not something odd. Discounts are associated to cash receipts and cash payments. That's why we are having discount columns in our cash book.